Tesla combination switch installation video. The first step is to disassemble the rocker. Plug in from here. Then force it out. This whole piece can come out. Here's a buckle. Use this tool to buckle this. Pull it out separately. Take out the wire we need to install. Then find the location of the interface that needs to be docked. Then find the plug of the original car interface first. After finding it, put the wire interface we prepared. Plug in. Then find the interface of another car product of the original car, and plug his original interface. Change it to our interface that needs to be connected. Then the assembly is completed here. Finally stuff these wires into it. Keep a long line at the end to pull it out. After pulling out, we just follow the edge gap inside. Put the lines in. Separate the front buckle. Then there is a buckle fixing position here. You need to fix it and plug it in with a big buckle first. Then insert the small buckle into the middle. Finally, install the disassembled plate on it. The wrapping strips on the edges are also back in place, so the front is half done. The lines left on the outside go along the gaps on the inside. Go to the steering wheel. Then turn on the steering adjustment. Adjust and pull down. Pull it out and break it out with this rocker. The other side is also broken out. After breaking it, remove the cover of the original car. There are two installation methods. The first installation method, it is installed with this skirting screw we matched. Remove the original two screws first. Align it in position after taking it out. Install our machine. Finally, put the screws on our host. Install the screw position of the original car. The second installation method, just fix it directly with a fixed rope. After disassembling, take it out and prepare the fixed rope to wear in advance. The other side used to be the same. Put this host on this end. Plug it into the hole of this host. Plug up. Just pull a little. Same here. Pull up, plug up. Okay, so. After this, fix the host. The host just happens to have a positioning buckle here. After positioning this positioning buckle, then the next thing to do is lock it here. Be sure to tighten a little during the lock process to hold firmly. Fix it, and cut off these two lines with scissors. There is a line here after cutting. Leave some length, then stick it with tape. Finally, align the previously open lid with the position. Install it back. Press to fasten. Final installation complete.